Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a bit of a different video for you guys. I've had quite a few of you ask me what I do with all my GP Studio Subbox sticker albums. So I have quite a few, as you can see here, and I do use all of them, but it seems like a lot of people are stuck with what to do with theirs, so I thought I would do a quick video showing you what I used mine for and what you could potentially use yours for, and hopefully just give you a few ideas, a bit of inspiration. So to start with, the most obvious type of storage for these is stickers. So I do use a couple of my albums for stickers, but most of my sticker storage is in like an accordion file box, but I do keep two for stickers. So the first one is my character stickers. So I just find that my little like girl characters and my little animal characters fit just perfectly in these ones, and I try to keep those pretty together. Just a handy little storage for that. And then this one is the one I keep all my Natty planning stickers in. So I do PR for this shop, and her sort of half size sheets are the perfect size for these albums. So I keep all of those in this one, and I just keep all my script ones at the back. And this one's nearly full actually. I also use one as a TN. So this is one I've converted into a TN. I just set some eyelets in it for some elastics, and it has the button closure ready, so that's perfect. And I use this for work, so I've just cut down a couple of notebooks to slip in here. There are two elastics, as you can see, and I just put those on either side of all the plastic sleeves. I kept the plastic sleeves in, you can take them out, but I kept mine in because I like to put business cards in here. So I like to slip things like business cards and receipts and things like that. And then I just have my second notebook in the back there, and they just sit on either side of the plastic sleeves. Really handy. I just pop my pen in the side, and that clip closure holds it in there really well. I don't have any problems with that. It's a really nice compact sort of size. This would actually work really nicely as a wallet if you wanted to use the TN as sort of a wallet. You could put some adhesive pockets on the front and the back, and all the inserts would work really nicely for receipts, business cards, cash, all of those things. And they do open towards the inside, so you could potentially even put coins in there without worrying too much about them going missing. So if you're interested in doing this, I did make a video on how to do that yourself, a tutorial, so I will link that in the description box. Next, I use this particular album to store all my die cuts from various shops. So I just have all my calendar die cuts printed out. I keep those, all my cute little character die cuts, my little random ones from Kiki K. It just keeps them all nicely together so they don't get lost. And I can also keep things like my little shaker cards in here, little journal cards that I want to keep them all together in the one place. Another thing I like to keep in here are all my little Foxy Fix samples. So that's a coaster actually. That was a freebie for one of my orders. But if you are new to Foxy Fix, if you're not familiar, you won't know that they tend to send a sample of leather out with pretty much every order that you make. You'll get a leather sample. So I've made quite a few, as you can see. So I like to keep all my samples together. They fit perfectly in this album. I can see all the ones I have, and it's just really handy storage to keep them all together. A couple more ideas for you guys. Washi sample storage. So I don't know about you, but I have quite a few of these washi sample cards, and they tend to just float around, so they fit really nicely in these pockets as well. Just a nice way to keep all your little washi samples together. Another thing I thought of the other day, and I think this is a really nice idea, is I am decorating my house at the moment. We're remodeling, renovating, so we do have a lot of decorating going on and a lot of building work going on. So I have a lot of these floating around, paint samples. So I thought these would be a really good place to store all my like home decor or home renovation items. So good place for all your sort of paint sample cards, all the receipts that you want to keep, lists of items that you want to buy. So I have an IKEA list here that I probably want to keep together with all that. And even things like fabric swatches, clippings from magazines, anything like that. can keep all together in your one handy little book. A lot of people keep their sampler sticker sheets from sticker shops in these to keep them all together, because I know some of those are quite small and they just float around my house all the time and get lost. Good place to keep all your tax receipts for tax time. They're the perfect size for sort of date cover sheets. So if you're someone like me that has a lot of date covers and wants to keep them all in the one place, that's a good place for them. If you're someone like me that has a lot of these like decorative sticky note pads all over the place, I have a lot of them, they're the perfect size for these as well. So yeah, that's what I use all mine for. I hope I gave you some ideas. I hope you have an opportunity to utilize your little sticker albums, because I think they're really good. They're really nicely made, they're really sturdy and very pretty, obviously, as you can see. They look really nice on my desk, so I do like to use them as storage. So they're pretty and functional at the same time. If you use yours for something different, please leave me a comment and let me know what you use yours for. I'd love to hear it. And I really hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!